you're getting too dark for that.
Oh, I got the lights right here.
Alright, ready?
The following match is scheduled for one fall. It is a Falls Count Anywhere match. The first competitor from Shelbyville, Kentucky, D Snuts! Woo! And the challenger, also from Shelbyville, Kentucky, X-Ray!
Alright,
Me gusta.
get it up.
Ring the bell! You can tell both these guys want to be in that final.
So you want to give it up? You want to give it up?
Oh, that was almost homo.
You guys related?
Are you two brothers? You look a lot alike.
Open fist up, open fist up. Come on, come on. No incest.
I am La Chicharroni and all my cousins are here.
They probably all live with you too, don't they, La Chicha?
We all ride together as well.
In your Ford van, right?
It is a Chevrolet. Is that how you say it?
Chevrolet.
Oh! Oh!
That's what, how do you say sexy?
1, 2. Oh, I thought that was it. I thought that was it, La Chicha.
They're not Mexican.
Out of the court, out of the court. 1. How do you say touchdown, kid?
You're a boy. You little niño.
Oh, just a 2 count, just a 2.
Oh, woo!
Dog, stick his face in the dog water.
Oh! He's on that hard tile floor.
Steel floor. 2.
Just 2, just 2.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, this match is brutal.
You want to give it up? You want to give it up?
No.
Oh. Watch out for those stains over there. Oh! The X Factor! The X Factor! Oh, he kicked out! I can't believe it! I cannot believe it! He kicked out of the X Factor!
Oh.
Oh! Rope break. Oh! Oh, they're taking this one outdoors, folks. This cannot be good. Oh! Oh!
Not the other people.
2! Oh! I thought that was it. Oh! Where's he going? What are they doing? Oh, this is getting out of control. This is out of control. Oh! One. Oh. 2. Oh. 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 Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh! Oh! Ding ding, that's it! That's it! The winner of the match! X-Ray!
Back away. Back away.
Oh, I think we're gonna need a stretcher, guys. We're gonna need a stretcher! Stretcher!